Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma to visit Bokajang. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I am Chili Hansepi with the latest news for today, and now the news in details. Assam Minister for Health, Education, Finance, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma will pay a visit to Bokajang. During his visit, the minister will lay the foundation stone of several developmental works under Bokajang Legislative Assembly constituency. According to sources, the minister will inaugurate an RCC bridge at Diopani on January 7. He will also formally inaugurate the mini sports complex cum indoor stadium at Bokajang. After that, Dr. Sarma will perform the Bhumi Pujan of the 100-bedded hospital, whose foundation stone was laid almost 5 years ago by the Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal.
Ini nili tom karjab lake non nili hanjang long so long sido ladang ni tum chiko yon photo kaprang wang sila bang so da 100-bedded hospital ki KMG pu Assam CM Sarbananda Sonowal nikan pria prang alang li CM geman cheng hut wang sila bang solong somkang lo labang solong somkang deadpan non an ningkan forang choi dog lo ningkan plira chitim an thulo stame kikim kere ka puthang nili tum beta pache taktis si nona bang ke thege ding tum pen alang le tuma DP ponsi non ke wang ji 7 January mate ar koi troxy arni Assam Minister Health Minister lapen Education lapen Finance Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma wangsi labang so 100-bedded hospital ahem gikim biaphan alangli long sompon po kam tame cheng pon people lasona taxi Diopani long sitame haladak RCC bridge kethe dunga bridge gikim do haladak stame bridge improvement po lasona taxi ako puthot Bokajang long sitame homosti 10 pen kuti kep labang so mini indoor stadium phan ke panong labang so ahem gikim ke dang stame hadak tame ke tangson lo lasi haladak stame ingpuna po pala palong thomadim alangli wangsi hala soarni ingpubon po lapuson se nilitum birta ke longben nang humri thuilo nang teman puthot paklang thuilo lake isi bangke ningarong lapen ke mesen abirta lo nilitum nang litum han ke paklang long stame ning jerong pig lo isi lapuson Bokajang arat atum ajir giting kluipen ke chonghong prong lapuson avar size tame lon long po pusinil tum nang litum ang paklang lo lason thak si dak Bokajang MSC constituency angkang sitame dak Finance Minister pen mini stadium aphan tangka kuti ke batangka padong si dak kikim kerang ladak Bokajang CCI pathua klamlong kim kerang kitang son lo don dhum dham mane kame klem tabe sik lap ason lo lasi ladak sitame Finance Minister mate okpran kelang abang mate low education anathu Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma wangsi labangso mini stadiums tame ingpupon po.
It may be mentioned that 4 months ago, there have been reports circulating about a construction of 100-bedded model hospital in Hanjang Langso. Since then, the people of the area have been overjoyed and had welcomed the steps taken by the government. Anand Terang's report from Bokajang for Karbi Anglong Live. Along with the rest of the districts and towns, New Year was celebrated across the hill districts of Karbi Anglong. Here is a report from our correspondents. A cultural event comprising of 11 villages was jointly held at Sangtihidi Thongnok Bay School Playground on Friday. The event was organized by Rongkethe Youth Club and was witnessed by all villagers, including young and elders. During the day, events like dance, singing, and drawing competition for children was held. Rongkethe Youth Club President Rotan Ronghang and Secretary Dharmen Bay told Karbi Anglong Live that their club has completed 19 years of its existence. Such event is conducted every year to encourage the youths and school students. The club president also said that events such as this has had positive impact towards reducing and preventing youths from indulging in drugs addiction and other harmful activities.
Rongkethe long ningkan wang stame lapu akhai besa ho tong sipaduk pen pinangana ningkan pen non pen bang bomlo piningan bangke ngetum nombor dorsong kang pirangan kecil ho sini hinta theklo si nili temas tamin piningan bangana sipaduk lo
nili tum labang so New Year school meet TV pon ini deng kora selker lo sini tum kiceng ningkan bangke 1992 ningkan si ceng pon lo ini tum lasso khela dula ke bipon ke ini tum rong si yang itum rong adorso angkang rong tre sido laso arat cingrum nasi labangso mingkan kini spormit labangso bipon lo.
On the other hand, similar event was also organized by Klimturmi Cultural Society in Toko Langso on December 31st evening inside the Nilip constituency. The event, which kicked off with Karbi traditional dance performance, was inaugurated by President Topon Hanse and was attended by BJP Local Committee President Hun Terang, Secretary Ken Singh Inti, GB Riso Hanse, GB Maison Inti, GB Darsing Hanse, and SYC President Rup Singh Phangcho, among others. The competition events were judged by Lunse Lekhe, Lokhiram Hanse, Sangpi Projoli Terangti, and Basapi Terangti. The group dance event was won by team led by Rubon Hansepi, while second and third prizes were won by team led by Urmila Terangpi and Moina Terangpi, respectively.
Nalitum bang putin sitame raso lunkan amali nalong ninghan hatum lunkan cepati dun japhan nalitum bor ihur bobusi ilitum mahin pending thelo.
Shubhas Terang from Langchathing and Samson Ingti from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live. The 13th Winter Dance and Singing Competition organized by Chingthur Cultural Society was held in Sanglang Kehat, held on Friday inside the Nilip constituency. The cultural and competition event was led by Benting Terang and was graced as chief guest by local MEC Pobitra Rongpi and was accompanied by BLCC Chairman Vinson Ronghang, VDC Chairman Timothy Teron, Nilip Mandal Vice President Jiren Ingti, Koilamati Land Secretary Mohan Teron, Akhoy Phuta Polling Secretary Relip Teron, Nilip Cultural Society President Suresh Tiso, Welsong Kro, SGB Terem Kro, Chunteron Village GB Kangbura Teron, and 13th Winter Dance and Singing Committee President Hilary Terang, Vice President Rafael Teron, General Secretary Anil Timung, and Vice President Pranab Teron. The elected representative Pobitra Rongpi inaugurated a pandal and assured the organizer and participants for his full support towards helping talented youths of Nilip constituency. Meanwhile, BLCC Chairman Vinson Ronghang also expressed his full cooperation towards giving platform to the talented youths of the area. During the evening, several youngsters participated in a dance and singing competition, and the winner was awarded cash prize of Rs 10,000. The 13th Winter Dance and Singing Competition concluded with a grand note.
Ilun kikan lahai tak tu benar kita mesti platform itu mana kipi nilai barang mana kipi hingga buat antum pandai suri-suri akiru pipa jero tapi kiran jalan harian setame alang itu akenan doan setame nilai capang doan pen antum mana kerati pasti dari lancar nak kita kilo lampak tapi ni langsung mela macam tongdon langsung program lah macam tongdon pay burun deposit doan pandai singkan kimi ningkan kimi kadang pajeri ko kedam tangan ningkan ilitum.
Sonjit Crowd report from Chokihola for Karbi Anglong Live. Well, those were the top stories for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.